Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your straps in case of a motion controlled game possibility or something else, and of course how to use the mouse control, because the straps are a really good addition to your mouse control setting of your Joy-Con 2. Why? Because there are gliders on it. That's much smoother than without them. But first, how we use these straps here. We have a blue strap and an orange strap. That means you can perform then for the orange Joy-Con on the right side and the blue for the left side. Okay, let's try this in the opposite way. You see, that's possible too, of course, because they are built as the same. Yeah? Okay, only for information. Then we see that is a Joy-Con 2 here. The Joy-Con 2 has an colored area, and there is a plus and of course a minus. And you see on the straps there is a plus and a minus section. That means if we are now take the Joy-Con 2 controller and look at the minus area, and the minus area on the strap is on the right area, we can snap them together. But it is a good advice that on the bottom side of it, there is a little nipsey. There is a little ball. And this ball, we can penetrate into Joy-Con 2 controller over there. Let this there. And if we are stayed there, it is only a small way to dock. Here we are. We get them docked into position. Job's done now. And then we have here a glider, and we have the strap function. We can go with our hand into it, push that button, and then we have it. That means if we now in the motion way and we lost them because of so much fun, it will be not dropped to the wall or to the bottom or smash into the wall or something else. To come out, push the button again and let your fingers come out of it. To remove that strap from the machine, we have on the back side of the controller a button, and then we can remove this. You see, that is the release bolt which comes out. And so we can use them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun, dun.